Well, I'm back with the follow-up video for my Brownie Crisp cookie coated crusted cheesecake balls, and so I just wanted to be able to come and share just a follow-up, just to talk a little bit about how they were made, and I will have a recipe in the description. So they're made with homemade vanilla cheesecake, and then there's a homemade chocolate icing, and then they're crushed brownie crisp cookie thins that they're rolled in. And so I'll actually share the brand that I used for these, and they worked really well. And so I actually wasn't even going to do a video on these, and then my family was just raving because they ate the ones that were made earlier, and so they were like, yeah, you should definitely do a video for these and share the recipe. So that's what I'm doing, and I'll actually do another follow-up video.